Looks like we don't have to wait much longer for the PlayStation 5 to be revealed to us. So far, Sony has kept a tight leash on what information they've been wanting to share with us. We haven't really seen much. We've seen the Godfall trailer last year at the Game Awards. We saw the PlayStation logo in February. And then we also recently got the controller. But we haven't really gotten the form factor. What is this console going to look like? So nothing official as of yet, but it's pretty much expected to be announced any day now. I doubt they're going to announce it today because today is Sony's State of Play where they're showing The Last of Us 2 and they had some gameplay. So it's most likely going to let that breathe for a little bit. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get something tomorrow, Thursday, or even Friday. They could even turn around and give us a 1 day's notice, kind of like what they did with the Mark Cerny presentation with the specs. They only gave us 1 day's notice. So hopefully that's not the case this time. I fully expect something within the next couple of days. The original rumors were set for June 4th, and even that date wasn't confirmed because there was speculation that could get delayed until mid-June, June 14th, around there. But now it looks like the event is going to happen June 3rd. So what can you expect from this event next week? Well, we can expect them to reveal the form factor. We can also expect them to reveal some games. According to rumors, they're set to show us 38 games. I'm sure it's going to be a mix of exclusives and multiplats. So what about the price? We have rumors that state that the PlayStation 5, it costs $450 to make. So it's not unheard of that they would sell it at $399 and take a loss on the console. But in order for them to make, even if it's a $50 difference, in order for them to be profitable on each of these consoles, they would have to sell it at $499. And that seems to be the rumored price, the sweet spot at where they're going to sell this console. We've even heard rumors at $599 or even $550, but $500 seems to be the right price. Now, I know it's a lot more than the $399 the PS4 launched, but at this event, maybe they take this opportunity to announce some of those exclusives that everyone loves and then drop the $500 price. $500 price range is a bit steep, but what may soften the blow is if they also announce all the games that people enjoy playing on the console. They could possibly announce games like God of War 2, Horizon Zero Dawn 2, or whatever the sequel would be, games like Bloodborne 2, and so on. Whatever the case may be, we will keep you updated, so stay tuned. Sources are in the description. Let us know in the comments section which games would you like to see announced next week. Don't forget to like this video, share with a friend, comment below, and most importantly, subscribe.